Does your husband get home late and complain that his food is cold?
Yeah, all the time. I can never tell what time he'll get home.
You'll never have that problem again with the all-new multi-speed Micro XT5. We have the latest model right here, and it can heat food back up in a matter of seconds.
That's awesome! But wouldn't it be a little expensive? I'm not sure we can afford it.
Don't worry, with the latest Micro XT5, we have an installment plan. You can pay a down payment and pay the rest as you go.
That's awesome!
Don't forget the best part about the microwave. When you hear your husband coming and his food is cold, don't fret. You can heat it up and have it hot, ready, and waiting by the time he walks in the door, and it'll taste like it's freshly made with the newest Micro XT5.
Here you go.
Oh, and a special perk for you. You don't have to throw out a pot of coffee because it's cold. Just heat it up like it's fresh.
So get the opportunity to do this and much more with the new multi-speed Micro XT5, available in all stores near you.